Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we will learn how to create this trending wavy text. Here you can see there are thousands of designs. Go to Google and just try photopia.com. Open a new project. This is a design space. On the Here you can see many designs. We will learn just like them. Go to Google and search Groovy font. Here you can see many fonts. Download which you like the most. The Super Monday, it looks super cool, so I'm going to download Super Monday. Here you can see font have been downloaded. Go to text and add text. Write something. I wrote custom. Increase the size. Select it. Change the color to black. From select it. From here you can change the font. Go to load font and upload which we downloaded. Super Monday. Open it. Find the font. Super. Here you can see at the bottom. Select the whole and go to paragraph tool. From here you can decrease the size between lines. Close it. At the top you can see a option wrap. Go to there. The width. This is too thin. Let's increase its width. Make it 30. On the top you can see the wrap. Go to here and change it. Here are many styles. You can choose any of them. The wave one is most trending. Here is arc. Let me choose the wave. Here you can increase the density of bend. We can change its color. To change the color of stroke, select it, go to three dots and then stroke and change it into yellow. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe.